In your dealings in destiny and in purpose, you must know the people you are sent to. I want you to know that nobody is created to be a spectator as far as the body of Christ is concerned. Jesus said, "The Spirit of the Lord is upon me because he has anointed me." Your life and your destiny is to the people and for the people. When we understand, it becomes so easy for us to embrace the truth, because that is where victory comes in. Who are you sent to? Either it's in the church system, in the medical system, in every ramification of life. Who has God designed your life to be a blessing to? If you don't understand this, it's going to be a problem. In the pursuit of purpose and love, you must know what your mandate carries. Your mandate is a specific solution to a specific problem. Do you have an idea of the kind of value and the quality of value and the kind of transformation the mandate you carry can create? Are you aware? Are you aware? If you're not aware, then you're not paying attention to the dealings of the Lord with you. You're not paying attention to the grace that is at work in your life. And how do you locate your audience? Number one, whose pain do you feel the most? Second question, whose cry gets your attention easily? Because these are the pointers to the people you are sent to. And you see, why purpose is people driven is because everything God has created you to be and to do is to the people and for the people. And that is why I keep advocating to value human relationship. Your success of destiny can never be possible without people. It's because you are called the people and for the people. You cannot practice your purpose. You cannot be fulfilling destiny outside a healthy human relationship. It's not possible, man. No gender is greater than being human, because this is not the men's world and this is not the women's world. It is the human's world. And this brings you to the place of there is someone waiting for you to rise. Your voice is supposed to awaken someone. Commit to the Lord today. Thank you.